Eco-Fibre is an alternative pool media that helps replace your pool sand, resulting in no backwashing of your pool filter. It works out to a saving of approximately 3,500 litres per month, which is equivalent to a weekly backwash. So how does it work? Well, basically it's increasing the surface area of your filtration media. It's made out of PET fibres, which are going through a needling process. What that means is it's knotting each one of the fibres, and that increases the surface area of the filtration capacity of the fibres and the sponge. At the same time, this needling also disrupts the water flow, changing the direction throughout the filter. So it's actually maximizing the capacity and the potential of the filtration of each sponge. Now, because the water direction is changing throughout the filter and you're maximizing each sponge, it means it's not taking the shortest path through the filter and back into the pool. You're getting more filtration. This increased efficiency also means less loading on your pump and less electricity used. Once your automatic pool cleaner becomes sluggish, then you know it's time to clean. It's very straightforward. Open up the filter, pull out all the sponges, and then just wash them in a bucket of water as you would a normal bath sponge. The filter media lasts for approximately 3 to 4 years, so you can at least 12 washes out of each sponge. And an added bonus, it's eco-friendly. I said earlier it's made out of PET, which is the same material as a soda bottle, which means it's 100% recyclable, and there's a power saving on the pump as we mentioned earlier too. So what's left to do? Show you how to get started. Firstly, remove all the filter sand in your current filter and clean out the housing with all the loose filter sand. So how much do you need? 1 kilogram or 1 bag of Eco-Fibre is equivalent to 1 bag of 40 kilogram filter sand. A 3-bag filter will use 3 kilograms of Eco-Fibre. Insert the Eco-Fibre sponges in a rough random packing order into the filter housing, making sure the breather pipe at the top of the filter is clear and unobstructed. Pop on the filter lid and turn on your pump. When putting your lid on, it is a good idea to replace that O-ring, and also remember when tightening it down, work on one side and then jump to the other. Keep moving across so you get an even loading and even pressure of that lid. We've got a broken bolt here. That's another DIY to do. Now pour the Eco-Fibre boost into the weir, and that's it. The Eco-Fibre boost helps trap dust on new filter changes. That's the Eco-Fibre in. Remember, 1 bag of Eco-Fibre replaces 1 bag of sand, and you don't need to backwash anymore. So you've got all that water saving every month. To find out about more pool products at Builders, check out the website and the Builders Fan YouTube channel.